We want to find the value of x, given that you have m over 2 in parentheses to the power of 3 equals 64. Let's have it to be solution. So from here we have m over 2 to the power of 3 equals 64. So we have m over 2 in parentheses to the power of 3 equals 4 to the power of 3. Then taking this one here, we're going to have m over 2 to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3 equals 0. So from here, when you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So from here we have our m over 2 minus 4. Then m over 2 square plus m over 2 times b 4 plus 4 square equals 0. Then from here we have m over 2 minus 4. Then this will be m square over 4. Then this will be 1. This will be 2m plus this will be 16 equals 0. Then from here, let's apply zero product rule. And from here we have m over 2 minus 4 in parentheses has to be equal 0. For this expression to be equal 0, or we have m square over 4 plus 2m plus 16 equals 0. So from here we have m over 2 minus 4 equals 0. So we can have this as m cross over 2 equals 4, and this is divided by 1. So when we cross multiply, we are going to have m equals 4 times 2. So m will be equals 8. That's the first solution. Then the second one, we have to multiply through by 4. So we have 4m square over 4. This multiplied by 4. This will be 8m plus 16 times 4. We have 64. Now this, we cancel out this. We have m squared plus 8m plus 64 equals 0. Solving this quadratically, let's define the following parameter: a to be the coefficient of m squared 1, b to be equals 8, c to be equals 64. So from here we have m minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have m equals, this will be minus 8, positive or negative, 8 square, 4 times a, 4 times 64 over 2. We have m minus 8, positive or negative. We have here to be 64. Then 4 times 64 over 2. So we have here to be m minus 8, positive or negative. 64 into 1 minus 4 over 2. So we have m minus 8, positive or negative. 64 times minus 3 over 2. We have m minus 8, positive or negative, root 64 times root 3 times root of minus 1 over 2. So from here, we have m minus 8, positive or negative, root of 64, we have root of 8 square, root of 3, root of minus 1 is I over 2. So we have m minus 8, positive or negative. This we cancel out this. 8 multiplied by root 3i over 2. So we have m minus 8 over 2, positive or negative, 8 over 2 multiplied by root 3i. So we have 2 here, 1, 2 here is 4, minus 4, 2 here, 1, 2 here is 4, positive or negative, 4 multiplied by root 3i. So from here, we have m equals 8. We call this real solution. Then we have m equals minus 4, positive or negative, 4 multiplied by root 3i to be complex solution.